had to get a tuk-tuk back because we're running a bit late for our cooking class.
First step in cooking anything, you always have to buy your ingredients. And I like it when you're on a cooking course where you actually go to the market to buy all your stuff.
This market no any refrigerator.
Yeah.
Okay? So everything, the most of the things alive. When we don't have a refrigerator, so your egg cannot stay fresh very long.
Yeah.
So you can keep them 2 or 3 days only.
Yeah.
So to make sure your egg going to be longer, you keep them longer, you make them like this. You look?
Yeah.
The black from the rice skin. It's all for your lesson 1, okay? You stay here, okay? You are good camera, okay?
I'm out of the way. I wanted to smell.
Yes,
I'm
1 minute,
excited.
1 minute. Lesson 1, fish amok. So we buy everything for your fish amok. This is, as I told you, we normally use fresh.
Yes.
This is called fresh lemongrass. From here to here, you can use for 2 different pastes.
Yeah.
One for curry, one for amok. This is for amok, but you can use the same. Curries, there are 2 different curry. One red, one green.
Yeah.
This is for green curry.
Yeah.
The red, the chef add more paprika. Red or green, you don't mind. You just eat. The color, just color. The taste is the same.
Yeah.
It look nice on the table only.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they don't change the taste. So the chef normally don't like to add the leaf as extra because they are lazy to slice.
Yeah.
Okay.
They normally add a pinch of paprika to look red, fast and easy. The whole thing you can make in tea called lemongrass tea, okay? Yeah, okay, you smell.
It's lovely.
Lovely, jubbly.
Get it off, get it off, get it off. Oh, yes. Oh my god.
This is Cambodia, don't worry, okay? Be happy, yeah. Now they die, you pay me $1, okay?
Yeah. Dude, take this for yeah.
Oh my god.
It's like carrot,
in England.
if you can see this.
Coffee, my friend, smell.
It smells great. This is one of my favorites.
Okay,
Coffee
yeah, coffee.
and lemongrass.
When they die, you have to pick them out. You look here,
Yeah.
and then later on soon, you remove intestine out as well. The head off like this, eh? If someone make to order, a master killing machine will kill, give you fish straight away.
Yep.
When they die, they cannot sell it out this day. They make them like that, you know? Dry them, salt it, or smoked fish or fish paste that you saw over here. Yeah. That's catfish, eh?
Yeah.
You can use that one as a substitute if you have no choice.
Yeah.
But snake for that. Oh, jailbreak! Yeah, jailbreak. Okay.
Shall I put it back?
He escaped.
It's slippery. Oh, my
He's not
cheeky.
my student, he's a fishman, okay?
Wow.
A sour. We use the baby one called green coconut for drink because that's sweet. Yeah. You look, it's how they start. Yeah, a machine, my
No,
friend.
it's alright, that.
Shaving, they become like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pieces. And I show you, you look, you put your hand here. Right, look.
Milk.
You do like this, they can see clearly. You do like this. Yeah, look. Yeah, the English say milk.
Cream.
I don't say milk because I am not English.
Already.
I learned English from the street, from the people.
Yeah.
I call them coconut juice.
Coconut juice.
English told me milk from the cow.
Yeah.
Milk from my mom. Now milk from the nuts. It's very complicated, eh? It's
Yeah.
better don't speak English.
My hand is covered in just about everything we're buying, like stinky herbs, spices, snakehead fish, which was escaping that I had to catch, coconut milk, all kinds of stuff, and it stinks. But we're gonna head back and start cooking.
This is grasshopper,
Grasshopper, cricket,
worm.
and worm. That's
Yeah.
Oh, you ate in the worm.
Okay, we go home. Okay.
Let's go with grasshopper first. Just like a crispy snack. Should we try one?
I tried one next.
Okay. Cambodian ones are much better.
Are they?
I'm ready to go. So we've cooked 4 dishes. It was really good cooking class.
Souvenir.
Cooked 4 dishes. Fish and mock, which is like one of our favourite things that we found in all of Cambodia. We've also cooked a beef lock lac, which is another one that we found kind of everywhere, and it's been really good. There's been a lot of variations on that, so I'm interested to see what this one is like. We've made our own spring rolls, and also we have a dessert of banana cooked with tapioca and coconut milk.
Was really good,
Yeah, it was awesome.
even if we do say so ourselves.
The amok was wonderful, with flavours of coconut, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, a bunch of other stuff. It was awesome, with local snakehead fish, one of which I stopped from escaping from the market today.
I think the cooking class here at Nary's kitchen is really good, so definitely check them out if you're in Battambang. We'll link them below.
Yeah, they're really good. It's really good fun. The market trip and cooking everything was amazing fun.
And now they're turning the music up, so we're going to call it a night.
So thank you for watching,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next one. Have one more. You were going to spend $14 on the circus. Why not just spend $7 on 2 cocktails? It's fine. You would have spent half as much. It's such a peer pressure pusher. It's been an awesome day in the cooking class, and our mock was awesome. There's a little secret in there that I'm going to fill in on at some point over the video.
Look like, it needs to look like.
I meant to look like.